Find differential equation family of curve y equal to a cos x plus b. A and b are parameter. Differentiate both sides with respect to x to given equation dy dx equal to a differentiation of cos x plus b to minus sin x plus b into differentiate further x plus b to x1 b0 to dy dx equal to minus a sin x plus b. Again differentiation both sides with respect to x d2y upon dx square minus a cos x plus b. Again differentiation successive 1 plus 0, so d2y upon dx square minus a cos x plus b. Equation second, a cos x plus b written as y, so d2y upon dx square equal to minus y, so d2y upon dx square plus y equal to 0. This is the required solution of this differential equation. Any other question? Suppose y equal to a sin bx plus c. Differentiate both sides with respect to x, so dy dx equal to a cos bx plus c. Successive differentiation of bx plus c, so b into 1 plus 0, so dy dx equal to a cos bx plus c into b, so dy dx equal to ab cos bx plus c. Again differentiation both sides with respect to x, so d2y upon dx square ab differentiation of cos bx plus c to minus sin bx plus c. Successive differentiation bx plus c to b into 1 plus 0, so minus ab square sin bx plus c. Here d2y upon dx square equal to minus b square a sin bx plus c. A sin bx plus c written as y, so d2y upon dx square equal to minus b square y, so d2y upon dx square plus b square y equal to 0. This is the required solution of this differential equation. Find differential equation. Find differential equation. Family of circle touching at x-axis. Find differential equation. Family of circle touching x-axis. Differential equation of circle touching x-axis. Here draw the circle, either this type of circle. Here radius of circle A, coordinate of center 0, a. So in this type of circle, equation to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to radius square. Suppose any circle whose center h, k and radius a, then equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square. This circle touch at x axis, so here touching 0, 0. Center of this circle 0, a, radius a. So x minus 0 whole square y minus a whole square equal to a square. Express this equation to y square plus a square minus 2ay equal to a square. A square cancel out. So x square plus y square equal to 2ay. So a equal to x square plus y square, x square plus y square upon 2y. This one. Either this equation may be solved in this type. So x square plus y square equal to 2ay. Differentiate both sides, 2x plus 2y dy dx equal to 2a. Y differentiate with respect to x dy dx. So 2x equal to 2a dy dx minus 2y dy dx. So 2x here dy dx take common here. So dy dx as common. So no, here 2x plus 2y dy dx equal to 2a dy dx. So 2 common, so x plus y dy dx equal to 2a dy dx. Here 2 and 2 cancel out, so x plus y dy dx upon dy dx equal to a. Here value of a, x plus y dy dx upon dy dx. So putting the value of a in this equation, so value of a, x plus y dy dx upon dy dx equal to x square plus y square is x square plus y square upon 2y. Cross multiply both sides. X square plus y square, here x plus y dy dx into 2y equal to x square plus y square dy dx. This is the required solution. This question may be solved in this time. Find differential equation of all circle which is touch at origin. Suppose in circle passes through origin in this type. So here center of circle radius a, so a comma 0. Either circle passes through origin in this type, so then center minus a comma 0. Or circle passes through origin above the x-axis in this type, below the x-axis in this type. Different type of figure of circle passes through origin whose center and radii are find and then solve the equation. So obtain differential equation of family of circle. Find differential equation of all circle whose center lie on first quadrant and touch coordinate axis. This question may be done in this type. Circle in first quadrant touch on coordinate axis. Here x and y. Circle touch x axis, circle touch y axis, hence circle passes through coordinate axis. Center of this circle, here x and here x. Suppose radii of circle is a, then a, this a, this a. So center of this circle is a. Given center of circle h comma k and radius a, then equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square. This question center a comma a, x minus a whole square y minus a whole square equal to a square. Here x square plus a square minus 2ax, y square plus a square minus 2ay equal to a square. This a square is cancel out, so x square plus y square equal to 2ax 2ay minus a square. R. This equation may be differentiate both sides. Here 2x plus 2y dy dx equal to 2a, x differentiation 1, 2a dy dx minus 0. Here 2x minus 2a equal to 2a dy dx minus 2y dy dx. So 2h common, so x minus a, 2h common, a dy dx minus y dy dx. 2 and 2 is cancel out, so x minus a plus x minus a equal to dy dx as common, so a minus y. So x minus a equal to x minus a upon dy dx equal to a minus y. So a equal to x minus a dy dx plus y equal to a. So value of a x minus a dy dx plus y dy dx take as LCM. So value of a putting in this equation, either in this equation, so differential equation of circle whose center lie in first quadrant and touch coordinate axis is obtained.